Okay, it's earbud review time. I actually did a lot of research before purchasing this particular set of earbuds, which I have had for about 6 months now. Most importantly, I was looking for something with the highest quality possible at the lowest price point because I tend to lose these types of things, and I didn't want to end up bathing in a tear-filled pool of regret. I was also looking for something that hooked around my ears wirelessly so that I wouldn't lose them or so that I could use them in sports, something with a little sweat and water resistance, something with a long battery life, something with some noise reduction and microphone capabilities, and of course, something with quality sound. And you know what? I definitely found all of those features in these earbuds. And they come in a convenient case, which is not too big to carry around in my little handbags. And the case charges conveniently with a USB-C port. It came with a charging cord, but I've currently put that away somewhere. I think we all end up using different cords anyway, whatever we can find on hand. These earbuds give great sound quality. The bass in particular isn't too shabby at all, especially when you consider this price point. What I also love is that I can call friends during walks outside easily during the mic that's built in here, and 80% of the background noise is filtered out. It paired easily with my devices, which is not what I can say for previous items I've purchased at this price point. And it also has easy to use and sensitive touch controls on the sides. One negative though, and this might just be a me thing, although these won't fall off and they are comfortable, I do find my ears getting sensitive if I'm wearing them for long periods of time, like, several hours. Ultimately, I think I'm better off with bone conducting gear, but I have yet to find a pair that also offer all the qualities I crave from a set like these, especially at this price point. I recommended these to my brother and my dad, and they both ended up purchasing them and they love them. So there you go. 3 thumbs up in one video. Recommended indeed.